Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily edit a PDF in Affinity. So let's jump right in. First off, go ahead and open your PDF file. Then from here, it'll give you this option, but really all you have to do is just click on OK. Then once you're here, you will already notice that this file is already in edit mode. Meaning to say, you can already edit this PDF file. It's that easy. As you can see from here, I can already change the font size, make it bigger or smaller. You can even change or make it a bold one, italic, and you can even change the case here, as you can see. That's it. That's how you easily edit a PDF file in Affinity. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.